Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our basic dry cleaning services and find it useful.
4. Reputation and trust. With a strong reputation built over decades of service, Sudsies is a trusted name in South Florida. The company has a proven track record of guest satisfaction, with numerous positive reviews reflecting the consistent quality of their services. This reputation makes Sudsies a go-to choice for families who prioritize reliability and excellence in garment care. 5. Personalized and friendly service. At Sudsies, personalized service is a cornerstone of their operations. The team is not only skilled, but also passionate about fashion and guest satisfaction. This passion translates into a service experience that leaves guests feeling valued and confident in the care their garments receive. Families can trust that their clothes will be handled with the same care and attention they would give them at home. 6. Long-standing experience. Sudsies has been in business since 1996, making them a well-established and experienced player in the South Florida dry cleaning market. Over the years, Sudsies has refined their processes and expanded their services, consistently delivering top-notch care for all types of garments. This longevity and experience further solidify their reputation as a trusted provider.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.